Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is Daily AI Discovery Series. Today I'm going to talk about an AI productivity app. Meet the new AI brain for your office and your team. Trust me, with this app, your office is obsolete. So, every team is losing almost 30% of their day. In 2026, the average employee toggles between 12 apps just to find that one document. This context switching is the number one silent killer in terms of productivity and profit. Notion AI centralizes your wikis, project management, and docs into one searchable intelligence layer. Companies are firing project managers and hiring Notion architects to build automated systems that can manage themselves. It means you're killing the context switch and getting and clearing your operational chaos. With Notion is a self-organizing workspace. It's an AI agentic workflows that can answer in seconds and not hours. You're managing an entire database usually requires manual tagging and sorting. In 2026, Notion autofills handles it all. Just using @AI in any project, the Notion agent will scan your Slack, Google Drive, GitHub to write a status report or update your roadmap instantly. You can use the Q&A mode to ask your workspace why something was done, why was it delayed, etc. You can get a cited answers based on months of meeting notes and chats. Notion also helps you save over 12,000 in admin overhead. Instead of hiring a 60K year operations assistant, you can now use Notion AI to automate your meeting summaries, task assignments, and standard operating procedures creation. By reducing search time by 80%, a 10% team can recover 400 billable hours per month, which is a massive bottom line injection. Use AI connectors to turn messy client feedback into structured Jira tickets or HubSpot, which leads without human intervention. It's an enterprise leverage that automates your operations. Notion AI can help you build a brain that never forgets. Every note, every document, and every thought your team adds makes the Notion brain smarter. You're building an asset that grows in value every day. Most firms lose their institutional knowledge when an employee leaves. Notion AI preserves and synthesizes that expertise so it stays in the company forever. Notion sites will help you launch an AI optimized SEO in one click, turning your internal research into a high traffic public resource or a client portal. Think of it like knowledge compute compounding and kind of institutional intelligence. It's one way to keep your future proof your business. This is an AI work evolution where the content engine of 2026 will make sure that the static documents will be extant. Work will happen in connected workspaces that think, act, and update autonomously. Notion isn't just a place to write, it's a place where AI agents execute your company's goals while you sleep. Stop managing the tools and start managing outcomes. Let Notion AI be the engine that drives your 2026 growth. What do you think about this AI content disruption? Do let me know your thoughts about the Notion AI. If your company is using it, if you're using it in a personal capacity, we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you tomorrow in a new daily AI discovery series. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.